Hey, stop a moment, because this model isn't real, and she doesn't even exist. But it's true. Not only this, but this, and this. These influencers have thousands of followers. Some of them have worked with brands like Fenty Beauty, Balmain, and Harper's Bazaar to promote them and charge up to $10,000 for a single post. But here's the crazy part. These are created by AI. Insane. The great news is that you can make such a page too. And this video is going to be super exciting. I'll show you the complete process to create a page like this and have thousands of followers. So let's get started. To make such a page, you have to take inspiration from one's page. Let's say we are going to make an influencer page like this. So first, I'm going to search for the face that is going to be used for our page for reference. The most important thing is that a person should not exist. So this is where AI will help us. If you want to go with any desired face, you can just download that image on Google, like this. Here you can choose any image that shows a complete and clear face toward the camera. Later on, you'll have to change this image from the AI tool named Midjourney. This step is about changing the face, because that AI influencer shouldn't exist as a real person. Use their website or Discord link to do that. Simply go on Google and type Midjourney Discord. By the first link, you can join the Discord server of Midjourney, and here, from the newbies room, you can simply type /describe and it'll suggest this prompt. By selecting, you'll be able to paste the image you downloaded from Google as reference. Here I downloaded an image. Just drop the image here like this, and it'll suggest a different face. In my case, we have a fight. Just kidding. I actually don't have a free trial, and you'll need a subscription, or trial and sign up to have the results from this. But I'm going to choose a completely different but easy option, being creator. Here I searched 20-year-old gym influencer face image. It'll take some time and see what I got. By the way, I like the last image most, so from here you can download the image. Now next step. We have a face now, and it's our turn to get targeted images. For this, I'm going to use a completely free AI art creating tool, cart.ai. First, you need to log in. I've already done that, so I'm just going to the search bar and type in beard to get the model to create the target images. After scrolling down, I found this one. Okay, so you can try the prompt here. I'm going to change this last part to street in the background. It'll take some time. Here are the results. Perfect. Download these images and some more similar images as targeted images. Here I tried another prompt command, and it turned the image into workout outfits. So we have collected all these targeted images here. And there is a third step of the face swapping, which means we will change that face and apply it to the images we collected as targeted images. So to do this first, you'll have to create a server on Discord. So here I'm on the Discord. Simply click on this plus icon on the top left corner and do this simple initial selection. I'm choosing the name AI Influencer for it. There you have this. Pretty easy step. So the next step is to go on the Google search bar and search GitHub Insight Face Swap. From the second link, I'll attach the link in the description. Peep in this link. And here is the Discord bot invitation. You're choosing the server I just created, and by clicking on Authorize, we have joined the Discord bot. Here in the top right corner, you can see Insight Face Swap Online. I'm selecting this new AI influencer server and typing /saveed. You'll get a prompt here, so simply select this. It'll require an ID name. I'm giving this name model. You can select whatever you want. So after this, it'll require an image. Keep in mind that we'll have to give the image of the face we want to create our model on. So I'm adding the Bing created image here and simply press enter. There we go. ID has been generated. So next, I'm going to type /swapid here is another prompt suggested by clicking on it. I'm typing that ID model and pasting any of the targeted images we took from cart. Press enter. After waiting a few seconds, it has swapped the face, and here is the result. We can see the difference. Now I'm repeating the process, typing /swapid once again, selecting the prompt and typing the ID name model, throwing all targeted images one by one in each repetition. And there we have all swapped images. So now in the next step, we'll have to save all these swapped images into our computer. I'm clicking on this first image, then right-click. There are some options. Save the image to your PC like this. Be careful in choosing the path. Here I saved all the images one by one by repeating this process, and we have all 5 images. But the problem is this file type is not suitable. So I'm using onlineconverter.com here to convert these files into PNG. You can use any converter here. So I converted all 5 images, and let's check the difference. This is the swapped image, and this is the targeted image. You can clearly notice the difference. Let's open another one. These swapped images have the same face, and no one can tell if it's not real images of a single person. Now these are images. In the next step, we'll create a video for the Instagram page of our brand new AI influencer. Here you can download any video on TikTok. I'm using someone's gym video, and you can download it from any TikTok downloader by using the link. But use a tool that removes the TikTok watermark to make sure there's no logo on it. So next I'm going to this Google Collab link, an amazing tool thanks to the creator. I'll attach the link below in the description. Here on this link, go on top and run this first git clone. Click on run anyway. Wait until it finishes. Now click on this file icon on the left side and drop the video and source image here. Make sure the name of the image doesn't have any space. Both files will appear there. Now scroll up and click on the second cell. Run this cell below the download model. Wait until it finishes. Scroll down to the last cell. Here, first, check if it has video quality 18, this for better results. In my case, I have tested this already, so it has not appeared. Then copy the path of the image from these 3 dots from this left side. Like and paste it to replace /content as JPG next to the source. Same for the other video too. And run the cell. It'll start downloading video. This video is 7 seconds long, so it took approximately 6 to 7 minutes. After it runs completely, you'll see a file here on the left side named swapped MP4. It doesn't appear by itself. Click on this file refresher. From these 3 dots, I'm going to download this, and here are the results. Make sure you choose a better and clearer video for better results. You can use Premiere Pro or any video editing software, edit this video changing its background music or whatever you want. Spend some time searching for a better video. Caption-free and has a great front look. So in this way, you can create videos for this AI influencer. Now the last step, creating an Instagram page. Here I'm using ChatGPT. We can create a name and bio here. I gave this command here, and it suggested a couple of names. You can choose any of these by your choice. In the same way, I created a cool bio for the Instagram page. Next, we have to create an Instagram page. I'm sure you know how to create an Instagram page, otherwise just Google this, and you'll get a bunch of videos on the complete guide on creating an Instagram page. Start by name, bio, and posting such videos and pictures. This all depends on how much effort you put into creating hyper-realistic videos and pictures for this AI influencer, and you'll be able to create the page like this. Create the page, go viral, and have fun. If you want to learn more about AI and want to compete in this fast-evolving world, subscribe to the channel and check out more here.